To enter time on a job, you go to the Work Details tab and you'll select New. It'll default in your resource code, so you go right to the service code. Everybody will have a non-chargeable service code, and you'll have at least one other one. Examples are like technician or POS technician, electrical tech, and you choose the appropriate one that you're working on at that site. And then the task number. You have to choose which task you are working on. There could be one or there could be multiple tasks on each job. So you choose the appropriate one. And here you can put a brief description of the work being performed. Then you got to fill in a start date and a start time. If you double click on any date field in the alert system, it'll put in today's date. If you double click on any time field, it'll put in the current time, which is usually not what we want, but we could change that. We could say, if we want to do 1 o'clock, you could see that it's military time. It would be 1300. If you wanted it to be 1:30, you got to do 1330 with a colon, not 13.5 or not 13.75. And then the end dates, you do not need to enter this in. This will calculate automatically as we put in our travel hours and our labor hours. So let's go to the travel hours. So you'll see this box is for the travel hours. So we'll say we travel for 1 hour. And anytime you fill in travel hours, you got to fill in the direction. So the options in here are home to job, home to shop, shop to job, or job to job. For this example, we're going to go home to job. And labor hours are how many actual hours that you worked on the site. So we'll say 3 hours. And travel from is only on your last job of the day. As you see, the directions are either job to home or job to shop. So if it's your last job of the day, you put the hours there and you choose which direction you went. And this is not the last job of the day, so I'll leave that blank right now. And for tech notes, these do not go anywhere. They do not go to the customer. They're internal only. And the customer notes do go to the customer. So you have to write good things in there. And you select save when you're completed with the timesheet, everything. As you see, the customer notes will append over here. And your timesheet has been finalized. If you made a mistake or need to edit something, you choose the edit button. And you could go back in and change the hours or change whatever you need to change in here. Do that and you select save again. And it's saved. And then if you go back to the job, under the Work Details tab, you'll see that there's a time entry for your time that you entered. And that is how you enter time on a job.